In this video, let me show you how to send money on Maya step by step. Now you'll be able to send Maya to another Maya user, or you can also send it to other bank accounts or e-wallets if you want. So all you need to do is within the home page of the Maya application, you'll be able to see the option called send money option being displayed. If you try to send money to other Maya users, it is completely free and you would not get any charges. So you just need to enter in the recipient's mobile number that is linked with their account and then enter in the amount that you're trying to send. You just tap on send, money would be instantly transferred. Now in terms of transferring it to bank accounts or e-wallets, you again need to head over to the same option, choose the bank account or the e-wallet that you're trying to transfer to. You need to fill in the account number or the wallet number, the recipient's full name, and the transfer purpose as well. So you need to tap on send, and then you need to confirm it with your password or your fingerprint. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.